Allahabad High Court grants bail to man charged under UP's anti-conversion law. The Allahabad High Court has granted bail to a man from Uttar Pradesh's Mahoba district who was charged for rape, abduction and unlawful religious conversion under the state's new anti-conversion law. A single-judge bench of Justice Rahul Chaturvedi noted that the women applicant and the accused were in a relationship for over 4 years when the UP's Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religion Ordinance 2020 was not in place. The bench also noted that till date, the women has not been converted to another religion and hence the provision of Section 12 of the ordinance do not apply to the case. All of a sudden, after coming this ordinance into existence, she got aware about her rights. Her mental thinking exposes about her conduct. She was a willful and active participant in all the actions faced by her during past 5 years. She was willful and active participant in all the actions faced by her during last 4 years, the bench said. She resides in the same locality where the applicant resides. In such circumstances, it was unswallowful proposition that in the same small city like Mahoba, she was not aware about the background of the applicant or about his religion, that too for 4 good years. Bench added, the women and the accused used to reside in the same locality in Mahoba. According to an FIR registered at the Kotwali Nagar police station on March 4 this year, the women had alleged that the man took her obscene picture and video and used them to blackmail her into maintaining physical relations with him for over 4 years. The FIR further states that on December 8 last year, the women got married to another person and went to Delhi. When she came back to Mahoba in February this year, she went to the accused to Orai, where he alleged ravished her and started compelling her to change her religion. Delhi High Court upholds IAF HR policy, dismisses pleas from Women Wing Commander. The Delhi High Court on Friday dismissed a batch of pleas by Women Wing Commanders of the Indian Air Force against the order of the Armed Force Tribunal, which had refused to grant any interim protection in their pleas, challenging the HR policy decision and to grant them permanent commission. Before the Armed Force Tribunal, Principal Bench New Delhi, the petitioners on June 3rd challenged HR policy of January 16, 2019, by which they were denied permanent commission. The tribunal on June 4 had refused to grant them any interim protection, against which they moved the Delhi High Court. Karnataka High Court relief for daily wage workers. The action of the state government in curtailing through government orders and circulars the benefit of dearness allowance and earned leave available to employees covered under the Karnataka Daily Wage Worker Employees Welfare Act 2012 amount to tail wagging the dog and not the dog wailing the tail, said the High Court of Karnataka. The court declared the wage employees who are covered under this act are entitled to DA at 100%, as is admissible to regular government employees, and to the earned leave benefit of 30 days annually as per the Act. Cow slaughter law wrongly evoked. Allahabad High Court pulls up Sitapur Police. The Allahabad High Court has pulled up the Sitapur Police and sought a reply from the District SP within 2 weeks over a case registered under the UP Prevention of Cow Slaughter Act in February, after it observed that the provision of the Act have wrongly been evoked against the applicant. A bench of Justice Abdul Moeen was hearing the bail application of one, Suraj, who was booked under Section 3 and 8 of the Act on February 25, along with 3 others, Ibrahim, Anish and Shehzad. Hostelers demand relief, threaten to move court. After the Gujarat government's decision to waive property tax and fix electricity charge for hotels, restaurants, resorts and water parks, hostelers in Mumbai have started demanding similar concessions and even made up their mind to take the state government to court. Hotels and Restaurants Body Indian Hotel and Restaurants Association, which is AHAR, has already written to the state government as well as the central for the financial reliefs after lockdowns impacted business severely. This was all for this video. Thank you for watching weekly updates of Legal Boundary YouTube channel. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.